Alright, I want to show you a little thing about adding external links in modules that can be a little confusing. So we hit this plus button, and then one of our options here is external URL. So let's just start with, we'll add the VCU homepage, vcu.edu. Okay, and that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to add that item, I'm going to publish it. Now let's take a look at it in student view. We click on it, it's going to behave like you'd expect. That's what we want, right? Except for sometimes it won't. And let's look at an example of that real quick. So I'm going to leave student view. I'm going to add another external link here, or external URL. I'm going to add google.com. Okay. Going to add that item. We'll publish it. Let's take a look at it as a student. This is what happens. And this will happen for a variety of sites for a variety of reasons, but it's essentially the site itself has set some things so that this kind of embedding is impossible. Now a student could click here and pop it open in a new tab. That still works just fine, but it's confusing and you probably don't want this. So in this scenario, what you're going to want to do is just come back here. We can go to edit, and then we can say load a new tab, update. We'll go back to our student view. We'll click on this. Now see that icon there? That indicates that it should open in a new tab and link to an external site directly. So if we do that, it should kick through like this. Occasionally it won't, and you may get a warning here saying that Google, Chrome, or whatever browser you're using is blocking pop-ups, and you just have to say, okay, allow these for VCU's and structure site in the future, so that should clear that up. But those are the two scenarios that you may have to deal with when using that particular external URL option in modules.